Alright, let us get started. The first thing you will need is the .NET SDK, which provides all the tools and libraries necessary to build and run ASP.NET Core applications. Simply head over to .NET.Microsoft.com. You will find the download link right on the home page. Make sure you download the latest version of the SDK. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once it is installed, you are ready to move on to the next step. Now that you have the .NET SDK installed, let us create a new ASP.NET Core project. I will be using Visual Studio, which is a powerful and popular IDE for .NET development. If you don't have it already, you can download the free community edition from visualstudio.microsoft.com. Open Visual Studio and click on Create a New Project. In the project template selection screen, search for ASP.NET Core Web App Model View Controller. This template provides a good starting point for building web applications with ASP.NET Core. Select the template and click Next. Next, you will need to configure your project. Give it a name and choose a location to save it. Then, select the .NET version you want to use. I recommend using the latest version, example 8, but make sure it is compatible with your development environment. For this demo, we will choose no authentication for simplicity. We can always add authentication later. Click Create to generate your project. Now, for the exciting part, running your application. In Visual Studio, you can simply press F5 to start debugging or click the Run button. Alternatively, you can open a terminal, navigate to your project directory, and run the command .NET run. This will build and launch your application. Once the application is running, open your web browser and navigate to the URL displayed in the console, usually https localhost 5001 or http localhost 5000. You should see the default ASP.NET Core welcome page, which might say hello world or something similar. Congratulations, you have successfully created and run your first ASP.NET Core application. Now that you have your application running, take a moment to explore the project structure. In Solution Explorer, you will see several key files and folders. Program.cs is the entry point of your application. Startup.cs or program.cs in .NET 6 Plus configures the application services and middleware pipeline. The controllers folder contains the controllers that handle incoming requests. The views folder contains the Razor views that generate the HTML output. And the models folder contain the data models used by your application. Don't worry if you don't understand everything right away. We will dive deeper into these concepts in future videos. And that is it. You have successfully installed the .NET SDK, created a new ASP.NET Core project, and run the application. Now it is time to start experimenting and building your own web applications. The best way to learn is by doing. So don't be afraid to try new things and break stuff. For more information and resources, be sure to check out the official .NET documentation. Happy coding. Thank you.